Hey guys, Melissa here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make this cute little leaf component. You can add this to your pumpkin designs or anything else you desire. So if you want to see how I made this, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright, so let's make a little leaf. Use whatever you made your pumpkin out of. I use square wire for my pumpkins. This is 20 gauge, so this is what I'm going to use for my leaf. I want it to be cohesive, so to speak. So my pumpkin's made out of 20 gauge. For instance, this one here, this is made out of 20 gauge square wire. So I'm going to stick with the 20 gauge square wire for my leaf. You can certainly do round. I'm going to weave it with 26 gauge just because I want to see the little striations. I want them to look like the veins in the leaf, so I want to be able to see them. Alright, so grab about the middle, turn it into a V shape. If you're using square, try to keep it straight. I'm going to pinch the end of this leaf here. And I'm going to make my leaf shape. Take your fingers and smooth out the wire and curve it. And make it to any shape or size you desire. Make sure it fits with the size of your pendant. Not too big, not too small. Let's make this one a little rounder. This looks to be good size relative to my pendant. Okay, once you get your desired shape and size, you can take the ends here where they meet and flare them outward so it's easy to weave. Just like that. And you're going to weave from this side, from the point end to this side. I'm going to use a figure 8 weave for this, 26 gauge. I'm going to use my little cushion clamp to assist me, just because it's hard for me to grip. Alright, you're going over the top on this side, going along the bottom of the other side. Come over the top and go around 2 more times. You can decide how many times you want to go around. You can go just once, you can go twice, you can go 3 times. It all depends on how far apart you want your little leaf veins to be. Make sure not to pull too hard. Kind of bring the wire over the frame without yanking on it too hard. Bring it over, go around twice, come back over again. One, 3. Kind of looks like a little fishy shape. I like to use a little guitar pick to help smush my little weave down. So when you're tapering down again, that's where it gets tricky. You gotta hold your weave in place while you're wrapping around, so you don't lose that tension. Kinda gotta hold it there. Or you end up with little gaps in your weave, which gets annoying, like that. When you're tapering down, they like to spread apart. So when you come to the other side, make sure your weave is compressed. See how it just likes to slide down? Push that up. Getting gappy. Alright, so I made it to the end. Not too bad, not too gappy. Snip this guy. Alright. So before you snip that end, bring it out a couple inches. That's more than enough. This is that middle vein, so you're going to bring it up, feed it through the top here. And then bring it back around the back. And then tie it off on one of your frame wires here. Then you can snip it and give your little weave a press. Isn't that cute? And then you can attach it to your pumpkin anywhere you like. Shove the wires through anywhere that looks natural. It does not. I'll put it there. So then you just gotta tie it down somewhere. Just attach it to one of your frame wires on your pumpkin. Look how cute that is. And then if you don't like it sticking out, you can kind of bend it the way you want it to go. Okay, of course I want to go oxidize these. Let me do that and I'll be back. Alright, so here's a couple pumpkins I finished with some leaf components. That's the one I just finished, I think. And then this one. So there we go. I think they add some nice texture to these designs. So leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you like this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell to be notified when I put out a new video. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time.